Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of the proven ground easy hard fold tonneau cover fitting your 19 and newer Ram 1500s without the Ram box. This does not fit classic models or models with the multi-function tailgate. This is perfect for the Ram owner who's looking for the most budget-friendly hardcover option for their truck and likes the look of a soft cover. This tonneau features a hard panel trifold design with an aluminum frame and a black vinyl top. This tonneau uses a clamp-on fastening system with adjustable clamps for a quick and easy install. So as far as price goes, this one comes in at around $400, making it one of the most budget-friendly options for tonneau covers for your Ram. I'm giving this install a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It features one of the easiest installs for a tonneau cover with no tools required and can be done in under 1 hour. So with that said, let's jump right into our install. Alright, so the first step in our install is to place your tonneau on the bed of your truck. Make sure it's even with the bulkhead, roll it out, and make sure it's even with the tailgate as well. And then once you flip it back in, we're going to get it mounted to the truck. Fold out your clamp. There are several locations. We're going to be shooting for the middle one here. Measure it against the rail of your bed, and you may need to tighten this up in order to get a good grab on the rail. And once you're confident that it's tight enough, clamp it down. Repeat that process on the other side. Now you can fold the tonneau out. Double check that it has the right fitment from before, didn't shift while you were attaching the clamps up front. And we're going to attach the clamps back here as well. So take a look at the rear clamps. They come transported in the middle section. There is an inward section, there's an outward section here. And because of the angle, we're going to move them towards the inner section. So you should be able to remove this and then insert it into the farthermost section towards the back of the bed. Now it's a little bit better lined up, and we can tighten it down so it can grab the bed more evenly. Again, you're just going to tighten this down until you get a good grip on the side of the bed. They've included these cotter pins for added safety. If you're worried about these clamps coming loose, you can definitely use these to ensure the clamps won't fold. Alright, so that is going to do it for the review and install of this tonneau cover. Remember, for all things Ram, keep it at AmericanTrucks.com.